The best gift of nature, life. The best gift of life, health. The best gift for health. Sopan Multi-Speciality Hospital. Sopan Hospital, a dream project of Dr. Sanjay Varade, a complete multi-speciality hospital where all types of health ailments are dealt with world-class medical treatment at their Neurology Center, Trauma Center, Ophthalmology, General Medicine, General Surgeon, Radiology and Cosmetology. All of these treatments under one roof. It has gained this title of super speciality because of the highly qualified doctors and medical staff working at the hospital. Sopan Hospital has experienced and reputed specialists in form of neurosurgeon, neurophysician, hand and micro-reconstructive surgeon, nephrologist, ophthalmologist, orthopedic surgeon, anesthetist, dermatologist and cosmetologist, radiologist and intensivist associated with Sopan Hospital. The neurology section of this hospital is considered to be the best because patients complaining of weakness of any part of the body or sudden defect in speech or memory, if brought to Sopan Hospital, within 5 hours of onset are treated with Actylase therapy so that they recover within 2 days and go home with full recovery within 5 days. Sopan Hospital has advanced and latest technology for cosmetic treatments, skin rejuvenation, hair rejuvenation, laser hair removal, liposuction, hair transplantation, tattoo removal, facelift with Botox and fillers. Small or big, every type of health problem are dealt with meaningful dialogue and treatment by these specialists, and the patient is relieved, fit and fine at the earliest by keeping the perfect balance between health and care. Sopan Hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art operation theatre which has stainless steel doors which are automatically operated by electronic system. There are 2 such doors which help to keep the operation theatre pollution-free as well as reduce the chances of infection, as coating panel has successfully curbed the bacteria in the operation theatre. Operation table is situated in a spacious room which is installed with quality LED lights. German-made cameras installed in the OT enables the kins of the patient to observe the operation if necessary. This shows the spirit of the hospital of being transparent and honest in their conduct, which is the only system in whole of North Maharashtra. ICCU. The patients in ICCU are always in critical condition and fighting for their life. Knowing this fact, Sopan Hospital has a separate monitor, water shower, GE Company's ventilators, firefighting systems, and special CCTV cameras to keep 24-hour eye on the patient. Qualified and experienced doctors and nurses in the ICCU keep a keen watch on the patients. In addition to this remarkable ICCU, Sopan Hospital has a high-end CT scan machine, digital X-ray unit and sonography section. Custom-made ambulance which is fully equipped with ventilator, monitor, oxygen supply and soundproof cardiac van with AC and specialist doctors and staff who are always prompt in attending to the patients. Apart from this, Sopan Hospital has special male and female patients room, private room, semi-private room, general room and recovery room which has central AC, access to natural and sufficient light, and importantly, it is a pollution-free space. Some of the facilities available at Sopan Hospital are pathological lab, well-equipped medical store, 8,000 square feet parking space, 3-phase electric supply, generator backup, oxygen nutritious air supply, firefighting unit, RO system water purifier, lift for patients, canteen and housekeeping, OPD, IPD, ICCU, OT are round the clock attended by appropriate doctors and their staff. These are the top-notch facilities and dedicated staff who are revolutionizing healthcare just for you. It's trustworthy, affordable, reliable, and the best cure by the best people. Sopan Multi-Speciality Hospital, where miracles do not happen, they are made.